Hey, what up, decisive marketers? Today we're going to be talking about this tool here called Audio. I know I've covered a lot of text-to-speech tools so far in my channel, and I personally find that there are some really interesting ones, such as Audio Harvest, which I've covered recently, right? Because it kind of helps you to automatically convert your blogs into audios and publish them on podcasts, and add those audio players into your blog posts, which is really cool. But we're going to be talking about audio today, and what audio does is also very interesting because it helps you to convert your audios into videos, right? So you can actually use your audios to create videos in here, and of course you can just create your text-to-speech audios, and also you can create audiobooks with this. You can also create this podcast with audio itself. So there's a lot of features. It's not like Audio Harvest where it's fixed and it only serves one single purpose, but it does that very well. With audio, it does it's a little bit segmented, but you can use the text-to-speech features to do anything that you want. Right, so before I dive into audio, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we are in audio. It's very simple UI right here, right? It's just like in case some of you have tried before Writer, right, which is spelled RYTR. I have spoken to the founder in my channel before, so you guys can check that out. With audio, it's also created from one of the same co-founders of Writer as well, so you can tell that audio is going to be very well backed, right? So what audio does is, okay, so you can see right here, so the first one is called a script, right? So what it does is you pretty much just paste a script in, and it converts into an audio file for you, right? So right here I have a line of text: hello Henry, welcome to audio, I'm Sarah, nice meeting you, right? So you can also put in background music as well, right? So with the background music, I think that they're working on adding that stock music, stock images and videos into audio very soon. Okay, because you can see from here, let me just show you right here. Okay, maybe not this one here. So if you just click on let's see, you just click on the plus, okay, and there is a stock library right here. So I think that they are working on adding that stock music, stock videos and stock images into audio very soon. So here we are in audio, right? So there's a line of text right here, so you can preview by playing that line right here, or you can play the entire audio right
Hello,
here.
Henry.
So let me just bring that up.
Welcome to audio. I'm Sarah, nice meeting you.
Okay, let me play that again.
Hello, Henry, welcome to audio. I'm Sarah, nice meeting you.
Right, so this is the line of text, and of course if you want to change the voices, these are the ones that they have right here. Okay, so they have a lot of different voices. So let's try Singapore.
Audio is a text-to-speech converter that helps you create high-quality audio content with just a few clicks and at a
Okay, this is definitely not the Singapore dialect, right?
Audio is a text-to-speech converter.
Right, it's definitely not the Singapore dialect.
Audio is a text-to-speech converter that...
This is definitely not a Hong Kong accent as well.
Audio is a text-to-speech converter that...
Yep, this is also definitely not. Right, so I think the categorization of the voices, they definitely have to work on that right now. But let's try something like this. Right? Okay, so Hong Kong, let's try Wing.
Audio 是一種文本到語音轉換器，需單擊幾下，可幫助。
So this is correct, but it's not in English, right? So, so just something to take note of is they do have a lot of languages in here. Okay, they've got like Tamil, Telugu, right? So Punjabi. So they've got like Korean. You know, a lot of voices here. Let's see. Okay, they've got Spanish, Russian. So a lot of languages is available in audio. Okay, and then you can upload your background music. So background music is not available, as in there's no stock background music right now. You can upload your own. Okay, and then of course you can add additional lines to, you know, edit the text, right? And in the text itself, you can emphasize it. Right, so you can strongly emphasize it, moderately, or less emphasize on it, or it's just a normal text, and then you can tune it as well, right, to, you know, to speak a little bit faster, to you know, increase the pitch or remove the tune. You can add pauses, you can you know, pronounce. So let's see what this is.
Hello, Henry.
Okay, so just to I think this is just for you to kind of preview how they pronounce the word itself, so that you can replace the text, right? So by clicking on the pronunciation map, so you can change the word to something else, so that, you know, it sounds correct. Okay, so that's how it works. And I guess you can even set different voices in different lines. So you can see that. So it's Sarah first, then Jenny, right? So it doesn't have to be one entire script of one single voice. So that's something to take note of as well, because not a lot of tools, text-to-speech tools, are able to do that. Okay, right. So so this is what it is right here. Okay, so that's the script feature, and then we're going to jump into videos. So with videos, how it works is you can have multiple lines, and every single line you can actually put in a video, right? So how it works is, let me just jump back in right here and create a new video, right? So I can show you how it looks like. So you can choose between a square aspect ratio, a portrait video, or a landscape video. So, you know, these are meant for different purposes. Let's say if you're going to put your videos out on YouTube, then landscape would be better. If you want it to be a Instagram, Twitter post, or LinkedIn post, then square would be better, right? Of course, you can post it on Facebook as well. Facebook supports square videos. And you have portrait videos, which would be for your Instagram, TikTok stories, you know, YouTube shorts, Facebook stories as well. Okay, so I'm going to select portrait. Okay, so you can enable a fade effect, so the images, when they switch around, it's going to look a little there's some kind of animation. And then whether you want to add subtitles into the videos, right? So you can do that as well. And then you can add a background image, right? Background image. So let's say I were to select this one. Okay, let me try subtitle backgrounds. I'm not really sure what that is. Okay, so there we have. I'm going to preview this video first to see what that subtitle background is. So of course it's gonna take a while to process the preview.
Hello, decisive marketers. I'm Henry. Welcome to my channel.
Okay, so that's what it is. I don't really see a difference. Subtitle. Oh, okay. I get what it is, right? So it's actually adding a small little background on the subtitle area, right? So let me just jump back into this one right here. So I have already done this one. We've got Sarah, and then there's 2 lines of text here. So I don't have any background music, right? But I guess you guys can maybe let me try and look for something. I might have something. So let's try this one. Maybe. Not sure if this is music, right? So okay, it's invalid. Okay, let's try this one. No, it's a WAV file. So I think it can. I think I don't have any right now for the background music, but let me just kind of preview and show you how the entire video looks like. Okay, it's gonna take a while to process. Okay, there we go.
Hello, Henry. Welcome to Audio.
I'm Sarah, nice to meet you. Audio is a text-to-speech solution that helps you create audio and video content using human-like voices in less than a minute.
Right, so I think that some of you could have some idea right now, being showing some kind of a slideshow and then voicing over with this particular feature right here, and also of course if you have your videos all set up, all your clips, and you could use it as a explainer video as well. Okay. And then you have your podcast. So your podcast is you'll be able to create your own podcast with audio. Okay, so you get your own public page right here. You get your own RSS feed right here, right? And you also are able to publish this on podcast apps such as Spotify, Apple, and Google Podcasts using the RSS link. Okay, so you can just as long as you create your episodes, it's going to appear in those places. Okay, so let me try this. Okay, so then I can start creating my podcast right here. So next is your audiobooks. So audiobooks, okay, so this would be the audiobook itself. So this is actually pretty nice, right? So you can actually send people to access the audiobook, and then you can split them up into chapters. It's actually pretty nice right here, and then you can create your chapters individually right here. So I think that's actually a very, very nice feature that audio has. So pretty much this, let me see if they can have if they can actually have background music, right? So you can actually have background music in there, so that's pretty nice. So that's all in this video for audio. I think that audio is pretty versatile in what it does. You can do your audiobooks, you can do your podcast. It gives you that podcast page, and individual audiobooks also get their own audiobook page where people can listen chapters by chapters. So I guess that's all I have to share about audio. You can also use it to create video explainers, I would say. So I think it's very nifty too, and I think they are giving like 30,000 words per month, and then there are some bonuses that you can get that gets you up to, I think, 50,000 words a month. So I think it's, if you're not a heavy text-to-speech user, it's more than sufficient for you, right? So let me know what you think about audio in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up, and if you know anyone who could benefit from a text-to-speech too, be sure to share this video with them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.